we are about to do the awesomest thing ever, the cracker challenge. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, nothing can't be left in your mouth. Come on, eat those crackers. You have 3 more. Wait. You gotta eat. Okay, you have to eat this too. You have like 30 seconds, bro. 30 seconds. 30. Oh wait. Yo, bro. Oh my god. Oh, you have 8 seconds. Oh my gosh, she didn't do it. We couldn't do it. Oh my god, we couldn't do it. Actually, she couldn't do it. It was funny.